Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Untitled Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the Primetime Tracer 24 DBS. It's not a new floor plan, but Tracer's been revamped over the past few years. This guy's got a ton of features, and it comes in at a wicked price point, especially compared to a lot of its competitors. So let's dive right in because there's a lot to go over. So this is in the full Tracer line, not in the LEs. The LEs, the limited editions, those are a decontented version of the Tracer. So there's a few floor plans that they make in the LE line, a few less options. The dead giveaway is the front cap. So you got the nice one-piece front cap, gives it a sharp look. And then of course the power tongue jack and the power stabilizer jacks. You got a nice big pass-through storage. Around back where it's boxed out there is your universal docking center. We'll do a little segment on that at the end of this video. This here is for tying up your pets. So little doggy leash ring, if you were wondering what that was. And then you gotta just take it in for a sec, the nice big power awning on this guy. Covers almost the whole trailer, all the way up to your nice outside kitchen, including the kitchen itself. They're one of the few that's still doing a sink in their outside kitchen, so really nice to have. And then of course, you got your cooktop and your little fridge. Don't wanna miss it as well. It's over here, this little TST sticker, what that's talking about is your tire pressure monitor. So the trailer will come with a fob and it'll tell you the temperature and the pressure of your tires. And you keep that right in the truck with you. Really cool feature to have. You can predict a blowout before it's gonna happen, all that kind of stuff. Just round back real quick. Backup camera prep, really nice to have, especially if you're new to towing. Let's head inside and check out some floor plan features. All right. Welcome inside. Tracer's been building this floor plan for a few years, as well as some competing ones. I'll show you what Tracer does a little bit different. So one, nice big U-shaped dinette. Okay, bigger than a lot of the competition, bigger table. There's storage underneath, cabinet doors, or you can lift it up on top, and you got the huge window. Okay, TV comes standard, as well as the Bluetooth soundbar. That's your central hub for all your entertainment. So you pair up your phone with that guy, control your inside and outside speakers. You got your nice seamless countertops, stainless steel finishings, comes with the sink cover, okay? You got, this particular guy's got the 12 volt fridge. So this is 10 cubic feet. It's bigger than the two-way fridges that are also single door like this. So this will run exclusively off your battery. There's pros and cons. Of course, it doesn't run off propane. However, if you have a nice battery setup or you always have hookups, no need to worry. Pair this with a solar panel. The right size, you can run this indefinitely. It's very, very efficient. There's no exterior venting required for a 12 volt fridge as well. So there's no black panels on the outside of your trailer, and there's no roof vent that you have to ensure stays sealed up. It's also much cheaper to replace. If it fails you down the line when you're out of warranty, it's much cheaper to get a replacement one of these. Of course, you got your standard oven, microwave, all that kind of stuff. Pantry right behind me. Lots of space there. Double bunks. Let you get a look at that. A little bit of storage underneath that bottom bunk. Slide the kids' toys and stuff in there. Then your washroom. So this light's actually, there you go. See, it's on a motion sensor. Thought it was off, but it's just on the motion detect setting. Three-piece bathroom, of course. You got your vanity, toilet, glass, shower doors. Nice big shower in here though. Lots of space. If you prefer to have a tub, there's even space to do kind of a base in here if you have smaller kids. Lots of room. Now I'll take you over to the master bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. So you got 60 by 80 queen bed, closets on either side, shelf above. But what's really nice here is you got sliding wood doors on either side, as well as a TV bracket already installed. So you can actually take the TV out of the main room, unclick it, click it in here, plug into the top, and then you got TV in your master bedroom. There'll be storage underneath this guy as well. And then you got nice nightstands. They'll give you an outlet on either side of the bed as well, so you got power. It's everything you need. All right, and I'm just gonna show you the universal docking center on the Tracers by Primetime. So what this is, it's actually like a fifth wheel feature. You'll see this in a lot of fifth wheels, but some travel trailers are doing it now too. Primetime's been doing it for a long time. So what I say about universal docking center is this right here. So these are all your outside hookups in one spot. You got your outside shower, your fresh water connection, as well as your city water connection. There's a little light that I have on here so I can see what I'm doing. You got exterior solar connector if you decide to do that, as well as TV hookups, and your black tank flush all right here. If you need to feed up a water hose, you just do it through the bottom, screw it in, When you're not using it, keep that guy corked, prevent little critters from getting inside. And then I got my battery disconnect here as well. So if you need to turn off your battery, just push that guy in, okay? And then one other thing to note is the tracers are all equipped with side view camera prep now as well. So in addition to backup camera, you can get side view cameras. Those guys go on when you flick on your turning signals or your signal light. Mike from Countertops Trailer. Catch you next time.